I was sitting on my couch watching the new travel show that Tracee Ellis Ross has, and I realized I have those Pattern Beauty products, and it's also time for me to wash my hair, so let me go do that. Hey y'all, I'm Tia Michelle and welcome back to another hair vlog. In my last hair vlog, I had the braids in the front and then my braid out in the back. This is that same style. I just put it in like a loose puff. I will be using some of the Pattern Beauty Palo Santo products. I won't be using all the products today because my hair is pretty dry. So this is my lineup, starting out with the As I Am. That's conditioner. Then I'm going to use the Pattern Beauty Palo Santo shampoo. I will deep condition with Sacred, and I will style with the curl gel. I don't know how the hold is going to be for this gel. I love their mousse and I've kind of stuck to that, and I haven't tried any of the newer styling products, so I'm excited to see how this works. This is conditioner. Half of my head is done. I ended up having to run to Ulta really quick. First, I needed some more of the scalp serum anyways, but I also got the Stronghold gel. I've never used this gel before, but I really like it. This is my favorite consistency of a gel. It's thick, it has weight to it. I started using this gel. Like, this line smells amazing. I wish they had the Stronghold gel with the Palo Santo scent. For my hair particularly, because it's so thick, this isn't strong enough. I was having to use a lot and it was just foaming up a lot. It was very concentrated. I knew it would possibly leave residue on my hair, or it would dry with no hold whatsoever. But if I used the right amount of that, it would probably give me the best braid out. It was pretty much looking how my hair looks dried without any product, except with white residue on it. So this is what I've been doing instead. Nice and saturated. That's why I love the consistency of the Stronghold gel that I got. I usually wet my hair down till it's soaking wet like I just did now, but I'm realizing that I didn't have to do that because this gel is perfectly ideal for my hair. This is when I have the most definition, when my hair is saturated like this. Next, I take some of the Palo Santo curl gel, literally just this much for each section. Even though I don't feel like it provides a lot of hold for me, it's very moisturizing, so I feel like this would be a great base for the gel. My hair is low porosity, so I use a small amount for this section, because even with that small amount, you see how it foams up. Take the Stronghold gel and top this. I'm gonna use even less of the Palo Santo in the next section because even that was too much. And I just go into smaller sections to shingle. I like when I smooth it and it's really stretched out, because as it starts to shrink up, It really sets in place. It lasts a long time, there's a lot of definition. I don't have to worry about a ton of frizz. According to my camera, that took me 16 minutes and 10 seconds to do. So I'm just gonna repeat the exact same process for this last section of hair. It's gonna probably shrink up to right here when it's all said and done, but you can already see the curls just. That's why I love this consistency of gel. Your strands be super elongated and then they do their magic and they spiral up into perfection. Let's see what's going on under here this morning. Is the sun coming out? I thought it was gonna rain all day today. This is how it usually looks the first day after doing my wash and go, and like waking up the next morning, it's flat and I just shake it out a little bit. So let's talk about these products. If you hear any background noise, it's some construction going on outside. But first off, the smell of the Palo Santo, it smells so good. Let me smell it right now. The shampoo. This is a hydrating shampoo, so it's very gentle. I will be using it again this wash day because I want to see how it works. I'm more of a clarifying shampoo type of girly, but you can't use clarifying shampoos all the time or it'll dry your hair out. I also use the Palo Santo Curl Gel. This is more like a cream than a gel to me personally. So if you have looser curls or lower density, you probably really enjoy this product on its own. But if you have tighter coils like me, you want to just use it for a braid out or a twist out. This is day 5 hair and it's holding up still so well with both products. I only have like a little bit of flaking right here in the front, but that's because I use too much product. I'm really excited to use the curl mousse because I want to say it's essentially the same as the original formula. The scent is just different. I use the Pattern Beauty curl mousse all the time. It's one of those products you'll constantly see me using when I'm doing fluffy braid outs, rod sets, anything of that sort. Right now I'm sitting in what will be my office. There's just nothing in here yet because I don't know what to do with this room. The reason why I chose this room in particular is because it has such great lighting. This will be the perfect place for me to film all of my videos. There's a ton of space in here. I have my PR packages over there that I've yet to open, but I will get to that. I don't know what I want to do in this room, but it's gonna be so nice when I figure it out. It's just going from a 1-bedroom apartment to a home. It's just the two of us with all of this space and I don't really know what to do with it yet, but I know that we could have so much fun with curating this space to be however we want because it's just the two of us. I don't know if I'm gonna have my hair products in here. Like, I have no idea yet, y'all. I don't know what's been going on in the Atlanta area this summer. It's been raining more than I remember it. It's been raining more than it's been sunny here. In fact, it's supposed to rain all week. It makes me want to just cozy up all day and I can't do that. And I also finally finished my closet. This one side is able to fit all of my stuff, and any excess I'm just going to get an organizer or something to go in my office. I'm not fully done organizing it, but I'm just about done. I'm happy with where it is currently. Honestly, as long as I'm able to easily find everything I need and put it back in that place without making a huge mess, I'm good. Today I just thought sure I would be doing a super cute style before I have to wash my hair because it has been like 7 days. It's a full week into this wash and go. But my hair is ready to be washed because she would not cooperate. Every style I tried to do, it was just off. Like something about it just did not look right. I tried to put it in a low ponytail and do like a claw clip. My hair would not fit into the claw clip. So I was just like, you know what? Let me re-wet my hair so that when I wash it tomorrow, it won't be super tangled and I can easily get through the process. Just wet it to reactivate the gel that was already in my hair, but this is being washed out tomorrow because my hair is tired. Moral of the story, when your hair doesn't want to act right and it's just ready to be washed, don't try to force any more styles, just wash your hair. And the wash and go was the style for me this time around. I didn't actually get to do any hairstyles, but maybe next time. Right now, I'm about to make lunch because I have not eaten today. I'm about to make pizza grilled cheese, y'all. It is so good. I got the recipe from Pinterest. That's where I find most of my recipes. For the spread, I use soft and unsalted butter, Parmesan cheese, garlic powder, Italian seasoning, and parsley. It's down. I'm actually gonna take it off the eye because it cooks so fast. I'm not big on cheese, so I'm only gonna do 1 slice of mozzarella, but you can definitely use more than 1 slice. I'm going to do about 6. And just because this cooks pretty fast, I'm gonna go ahead and flip it so that the first side doesn't burn. Y'all, this is so good and so quick to make. I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here so that I can have it up by this weekend. My hair plans didn't go as expected. And if you've made it all the way to the end of this video, let me know down in the comments if you would prefer to have vlog/hair vlogs weekly or every other week, because I myself have been going back and forth on that. Anyways, I will see you all in the next video. Bye.